Nextdoor business employee parking huge truck in front of my business. Ada, I have been very upset with the Nextdoor business employee parking their personal truck in front of my business when he goes to work. Why don't he park in front of the business he work at? He drives a huge neon yellow monster truck with huge fat wheels and he parks in front of my business all day open close. How do I confront them about this? Do I confront? Am I being a Karen? Do I have the rights to be upset? For context, I never park in front of their business because I feel it's common courtesy to leave that spot for the owners of that business or their customers. Especially knowing I will be parked in that spot for a long time, I would never hog a spot right in front of their business. I know it's public parking, but isn't it common courtesy?